Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with WAEC Biology Past Question 2017 Question 2. The structural similarities in paramecium and euglena are A. Shape of locomotor's organ, B. Blunt anterior and pointed posterior, C. Presence in micro and meganuclei in both, D. Presence of anterior and posterior contractile. Now, structural similarities has to do with their physical features, the physical structures that are found in both paramecium and euglena. And this question is asking us for the similarities, the features that they both have, or the similar features they both have. That's a paramecium and a euglena. A paramecium is found in the class Celiophora, while euglena is found in Euglenophyta. Now, for this paramecium, let's analyze each of the properties listed or the features. Shape of locomotor's organ. For paramecium, the locomotory organ is the cilia. Now, for euglena, the locomotory organ is the flagella. Now, these organs have different shapes, so this particular option is out. Now, B says blunt anterior and pointed posterior. So now, a paramecium has a slipper shape like this. It looks like this, and this is the shape of a paramecium. And a euglena looks like this, a spindle shape like this. Now, this is the anterior and this is the posterior for a paramecium. This is anterior for euglena and this is the posterior for euglena. Now, this is the anterior. It is blunt for both paramecium here and euglena here. This is euglena, this is the paramecium. So it is blunt anterior, and the posterior, that's the underneath surface, is what? Pointed for both. So this option is correct. Now, C says the presence in micro and meganuclei in both. A paramecium has two nuclei. It has a micronuclei, which is the big one, a macronuclei, which is the big one, and it has a small one, which is the what? The micro. Now, this macro can also be called meganuclei, but for a euglena cell, it has only one nuclei or nucleus. It has just one nucleus for the euglena cell, so this is out. Presence of anterior and posterior contractile vacuole. Now, a euglena has just one contractile vacuole, but in a paramecium we have the anterior contractile vacuole, which is located at the anterior base up, and it has the posterior contractile vacuole, posterior and anterior contractile vacuole. So presence of anterior and posterior contractile vacuole is also out. So our answer, the correct answer to this question, is option B, blunt anterior and pointed posterior. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more of our videos.